Love songs make me wanna sing more love songs. Love songs. I remember God to say. How much of you remember God to say? Hello, how are you? How are you?
Reggae music to the international forefront, and his inimitable talent is consistently reinforced by his thrilling live performances like you are getting tonight at Reggae Sumfest 2011. His impact on Jamaican music manifests through his successes. An alluring voice and humble persona are among the multiple attributes that popularize this gentleman as one of the most respected Jamaican entertainers. And I might adjust the script right now to say Jamaica's most loved recording artist. Mastermind behind Harmony House recording label. His commitment to producing authentic reggae music correlate with the primary mission of the Reggae Sumfest brand, which focuses on showcasing Jamaican culture at its best. And finally, Tonight, Reggae Sumfest Productions is honored to present the prestigious Reggae Icon Award to one of Jamaica's finest musicians, the King of Lovers Rock, Hugh Beresford Hammond. In recognition of his outstanding achievements and contribution to reggae music and the Jamaican music industry in general, Reggae Sumfest fans, join me in honoring Mr. Hugh Beresford Hammond. Make some noise! Electronic sound.
Was a little girl, by the promise me, she was the girl. Oh, to my day, whether it was sad, and she is sad. Everybody is wrong. She is
What did she do? She went looking for love.
Dancing in the clubs at night. Said look you dancing, she was not herself. Pretending to be someone else.
She was a fine lady of a long school.
Oh my God.
Was a good girl, I would tell the truth when she was alive. That's it. When the innocence was true. However, it is like the whole world was free. She has changed.
Yes, my baby. Oh, smile down your baby.
I didn't know that
Thank you so much.
you would grow up to be such a lady, writing such beautiful songs.
I was inspired by a little girl who was a fine young lady.
Yes.
Yes, it's a honor, sir. Have a good night, ladies and gentlemen.
You never cease. You never cease. And let me let you in on a secret. Every single artist there is in the world looks for some love from the crowd. If you don't get it, you feel out of place, you know? So when you give it to me every time, that energy there, yeah!
Pull up the violence that you're playing. Can you play some song? Can you play some more? Can you play some more? Oh,
If I could keep this shit steady, that would be great. But I am fucked up. People look tired and beat. I see our face right here, so.